Okay, this video is going to be on replacing the quick release on the Glion Dolly. For those of you at home, your wife won't let you use the kitchen table, we have an alternative for you. Go into the coffee room table. Okay, now on the serious side, for what we need to do this, it's pretty simple. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. And this is a quick release that we'll send to you in the mail. We're going to flip this lever so it opens up, releases the pressure. We need to remove the screw from the quick release. To remove the threaded bolt, we need to turn it counterclockwise. It'll come apart. We've got a plastic washer. And our bolt goes through our quick release like that. Now, once to reassemble it, we put the bolt back through. We put our plastic washer back onto the bolt. Inside your quick release, we've got this threaded barrel that has threads on the inside. We need to line that up. Tighten it down. Then we'll go ahead and put our screw back in. And then we'll close our quick release. Okay, we're going to remove the quick release from your scooter. We need to flip the quick release lever over to the side. We need to remove the screw. We're going to remove the screw from the quick release. By doing that, we turn it counterclockwise. We'll come out, we've got a metal washer behind the screw head. On the other side, we have a plastic washer, and then we have a barrel that has on the other side, the quick release, we have a plastic washer, and then we have a barrel pin with threads on the inside that fits inside that quick release lever. Okay, then to pull our handlebar out, we need to press in on the pin, raise it up, and just keep right on pulling on up and all the way out. On the bottom of the T-bar handle, there's this plastic collar. So then to take the top plastic off, we press in on our pin and it will slide down past the pin, and we can lift off our quick release. Then we take our new quick release clamp, slip it over the wires. Okay, we need to line the tab up in our quick release with the slot in the plastic collar. Slide it up, press in on our button so everything will slide by. And we need to keep going up past this rivet up here. And we can stop there. And then if we put our screw back in, it will keep it from sliding down. And they're like so. Then we'll take the plastic bottom piece and put it back on the collar. And once again, we have a hole back here that this tab has to fit into. Slips in like that. We need to line up our tab with our holes on our... Now we're going to press in on the button so everything will drop down into place. You can get it into this first hole here, then this collar up here. We need to slide down. Okay, we're now going to loosen the screw so we can slide this quick release collar into place. This screw needs to actually screw into this hole right down here. So we can press it down. It will go down. Didn't get the screw loose enough yet. And drop into place, and then you can tighten the screw.
Very good.
We're going to put the bolt through the front of the quick release. Make sure we have our washer, like so. We're going to bolt through there. Then we need to put our plastic washer on. Then we need to line up the threads in the barrel on there. And I find it's best to just snug it up by hand. Then you can go ahead and flip your lever over. And that's how you replace the quick release on the Dolly.